Happy 4th of July week. Because it's the 4th of July, I thought I would do a little festive makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with this Revolution Reloaded Neutrals palette. And I'm going to take this, it's almost like a white shade, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. And you don't have to use this specific palette to get this look. I'm going to use a couple different palettes with this look just because I don't have a palette that has all these colors in it. But you can use any white or light shade. I used a matte shade and place that all over your lid. And the next thing I'm going to do is go into that Revolution palette again, and I'm going to take this matte red shade. It's on the blush side, and I'm just gonna buff that in my outer corners and bring it into my crease. So next I'm going to take the Morphe plus Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palette in Bling Boss, and the color I'm going to use is Sparks. It's a darker matte red, and I'm just going to place that in my outer corners, and I'm going to bring it just a little bit inward, but not too far in, just keeping it closer to the outside. I also like to take a brush with no product on it and just buff it in. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, and I'm going to use the shade Treasure. And this shade is a shimmer, and it's a pretty bright shimmer color. I'm going to place that on my inner corner, lid, whatever. And I'm going to use my fingers, and then I'm going to dust any excess off my crease. So I'm going to take another palette, and I'm going to use the ColourPop Dream Street palette. I'm going to use the shade Mermaid Boy, and this is a shimmery blue shade. And I'm just going to place that on my lower lash line, but only halfway, and focusing more on the outer corner. Because I'm limited on my brushes, I'm just gonna wipe that off and go in with that white shade from that Revolution palette, and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line, on the inner corners, connecting it to that blue, and just brightening up that inner corner of my eye so that it matches the top. So now I'm going to go back into that Dream Street palette, and I'm going to use the shade Moony for my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX Felt Tip Black Eyeliner, and I'm going to run that right across my lid. For my mascara, I'm going to go in with this blue L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I think it really brightens the eyes and just gives it a nice little pop of color. So not shown on camera, but I ran a black eyeliner on my waterline. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mocha. Even though it doesn't look like mocha, it is kind of like a pinkish reddish shade. Doesn't look brown at all, which is what I think of when I hear the word mocha. Last thing I'm going to do is use this Appeal lip gloss. It's a shimmery lip gloss. I'm going to put that in the center of my lips, and I'm just going to dab that in with my finger. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and everybody have a safe 4th of July. Bye!